Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to showcase you finding null values using Python on sample dataset. Okay, so guys, basically this is the series of data engineering with Python. I'm just showcasing with the small examples. Maybe it will help you to write it in the real-time world by utilizing this Python sample code. Okay, so this is I want to find out finding null values using native Python with sample dataset. So here the student grade, okay, I have this data set. So here if you see for Bob, grade is none. For David, grade is none, right? I have two none values here. So I want to find out in the data set, okay, we're using with help of is keyword to check if value is none. So here basically I'm creating one variable, null value is equal to empty, okay? So I'm just going to mention this square brackets. For student in students grades, so with help of in, we can use is keyword and in Python. Okay, so student, okay, for student in students grades. So this is a I'm using loop which is going to iterating the okay students is students. So it is going to check in the students grade. Okay, if students grade is none, null value dot append student. So if the student grade is null, so it means if the student is having the this grade is none, then null value dot append student. Okay, null value dot append student. Here I'm taking the null value dot append dot student. So this is the variable which I have created. I'm calling here this variable dot append into the student. So basically I'm printing this null value. So what happened, here only null values I'm getting student Bob grade none. So similar for student David grade none. Alternatively, you can use least comparison to achieve same result in more concise way. Okay, null value student for student in student grade. If student grade is null, so this is least comprehensive. Okay, so for student in student grade, if student grade is null, print null value. Like this, we can also get the same output. These are the two approaches we can achieve the null values. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.